What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get your first 50 subscribers on YouTube. Let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and just thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for helping me get to 50 subscribers. So if that's you, thank you so much, and if you're new, consider subscribing. So next, what we're going to do is we are going to want to go to youtube.com, preferably not logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my privacy browser here, and we're going to go to youtube.com. Got my caps lock on there. And then we're going to want to head over to the trending page. So in the trending page, you're going to want to click on whatever is relevant to you. So let's go ahead and pick gaming. And you're going to want to find videos that you can make relevant on your channel that are also relevant to videos on the trending page. So what this is going to do is people are going to go on the trending page, and let's say that they see Minecraft, but I'm hunting a speedrunner with mods. So if you have a Minecraft channel or even just a gaming channel, maybe you might want to make a video about speedrunner, or maybe you want to make a video about mods, or maybe challenges. So that's kind of what you want to do. You want to go around. So Fortnite added a flare gun. Maybe go and make your own video about a flare gun. People might end up searching it, and you might end up on the search. So just look through the trending page, find things that you can make videos about that will also be good for you and your channel. So number two, you're going to want to make sure that you are relevant. So again, the trending page can help you with this, but you don't want to make videos that people don't want to watch. You want to make videos that are relevant. So if you're making videos about things that really aren't that interesting, or maybe that everybody already knows about, then you're not going to get a lot of views. So you want to be relevant, you want to be up to date, and you don't want to be, the old man on YouTube. Number three, you want to be you. So you do want to be doing things that are relevant to you as an individual. Otherwise, really, it won't come off as all that interesting. So you really need to make sure that the videos that you're putting up are relevant to you, things that you like and enjoy doing. I really like making these how-to videos. They're really fun for me. So I feel like that I can end up doing a good job, the harder I work on it. Speaking of working harder, I recently have been working harder on making my voice better in these videos. So if you made it this far, let me know how my voice sounds. I really appreciate the feedback. So number four, you want to be active. It is really important to be active on YouTube. You can't just post one video once a month and expect to get very far unless you just have like really insane videos. You might be able to get away with it. I try to post as often as I can. Recently, I have been taking school classes this summer, so I haven't been able to post, but my schedule has freed up a little bit, and now I'm trying to be more active. You also have to make sure that you're communicating with people in the comment section. So whenever people comment with a problem on my videos, I try to answer them. If I'm not active, I might lose that potential subscriber. I might lose that potential viewer. So if they comment on my video with a problem, if I answer them as fast as I can, maybe I will earn a sub. And whether you're making gaming videos or beauty videos or whatever, if somebody comments and you don't have very many subscribers yet, you always want to make sure you're answering. So if somebody asks me a question, what I typically do is I try to ask them what the problem seems to be, how I can help. I try to help them, and then I politely ask them to subscribe if I was able to help them, because I would appreciate them helping me after I helped them. So yeah, you want to make sure you're active. Now, the fifth and final way that I'm going to teach you how to earn your first 50 subs is being lucky. Now, I got really lucky on one of my videos. I believe it has around 12,000 views. That is insane for me. I didn't think I was going to get above 500 anytime soon. 12,000 views. I got lucky. So what ended up happening is I made a video that a lot of people all at one time really wanted to learn how to do something, and that was my how to run macros on the PS4. And that ended up happening because of a separate YouTuber, I can't recall their name at the moment, ended up making a video where they were accused of using macros. And for whatever reason, everybody, 12,000 people worth of everybody, wanted to know how to run macros, and they found my video. I got really lucky, and that brought in a whole lot of subscribers. And you can also look at some of my other videos, like the one where I teach you how to record Netflix. I don't think I got as lucky on that one, not because I got less views, but because it was relevant, and I thought that it was something that people would want to see. So you just got to get lucky, put videos out there. Once one hits, you got to make it stick, and you got to keep rolling with it. And that is how you're going to get your first 50 subscribers on YouTube. I really hope this helped. If you're a small channel, share this with other small channels, help them grow to their first 50 subscribers. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out, dudes. I have no idea why I said peace out, dudes. See you in the next one.